Hello everyone. We are looking at complex number phase 3 chapter, exercise 1 of complex numbers. So we are at question number 9 now. So the question is, a complex number combination is given to us. And then we have to basically comment on whether it is lying on x-axis. So this question, I'm not going into how to solve it. But before that, this question basically tells us to remember a little bit about the eigenplane. X-axis is the real x-axis, the y-axis is the imaginary. So if a complex number has to lie on anywhere on the real axis, that means the imaginary part has to be 0. So even before we show this, we know it is going to be true because it's mod. So whenever we take mod of a complex number, we get a real number. So it is always going to lie on the real axis. But we have to show it. So we start with take x as z as x plus iy, and then like how it is given here, we just solve it. So the only thing that we have to remember here is if it is x plus I into just the numerator, x plus iy minus 5i, mod breaks in numerator and denominator. And this is x plus iy minus 5. And this is equal to 1. So we take it both sides. And then the meaning of mod is you square the real part and imaginary part. So x squared plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to x squared plus y minus 5 whole square. Now, we can easily see we are getting a real number on the RHS side and the RHS side. Basically, the real imaginary part is 0 here. So, the complex number is always going to lie on x.